In today's video, we will create something like this. Click on New. Then select the size of your image by this value. Drag the image from your computer in Photoshop, then place it on your image. Like this. Then, adjust the size by the corner. Now go to this tool, and select the rectangular. Select the image like this. And hold Shift key, then select again the area. Do it again. Now press Ctrl-Shift-I on your keyboard to select the inverse. Select the eraser, then erase this area. Press Ctrl-D. Select the background layer, and choose the gradient. You can choose your color, like this. Well, I am choosing this color. Hold Shift key, then draw a line. Make your image a little bit smaller. Now double-click on image layer. Check the drop shadow, and adjust these value, like me. Now check the bevel, and again adjust these value, to get the cool 3D effect. Just do few changes. Select the text tool and place your text, like this. On text layer, double-click, and check the drop shadow. Now save your image as a JPG file, like it. Your image is ready. If you really enjoyed my video, then please subscribe me to get more videos. Also click here to see my other tutorials. Thank you friends.